In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade in MetaTrader 5 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom left and tap on quotes. And from here, you want to select whatever you want to trade. So I'm just going to tap on a random one over here. I'm going to do GBP USD. And then you want to tap on new order, which is the first thing that pops up. Now, when you do that, at the very top, you can first change the order type. So it could be market execution, or you have like limit orders, stop limits, whichever one you want. So tap on the one you want and then go ahead and proceed. Now here you can select how much you would like to do. So the quantity right now 0.01 is selected. You could tap in here and change this to whatever you want, like 0.06 for example, or you could just tap on those buttons next to it over here and it's going to go down or up over here. Now of course it's going to also allow you to basically set stop losses and take profits over here at the bottom, as you can see where I'm tapping right now, and you can go and set these as well if you want to. And then you can also set the fill policy, which of course depends on whichever order type you have. And then at the very bottom, when you're happy with your order, you can just tap on either buy or sell, and that's going to basically place your trade. Now of course it's going to depend. If you set a limit order up top, for example, you'll also be able to set your limit price as well, and then after that you'll be able to place that too, just like this, as you can see. Or of course, if you just place the market order, you can go ahead and do it right away. So for example, over here I can just tap on buy or sell and it's going to basically process my order. So that's how to place a trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.